Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Las Vegas. It will take the captain just a few moments to taxi the aircraft to the gate. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have come to a complete stop at the terminal building and a fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please keep the aisleways clear of all personal belongings until gate arrival. Be careful when opening or bed bins as items are shipped during landing. Before you leave the aircraft this evening, please check the back pockets, closets, overhead bins for any personal items you may have left behind, as you will not be allowed re-entry onto the aircraft once you have stepped off.